Yo guys, what it do? It's your boy Tush Pepper. Today I'm going to be 1v1ing FaZe RAIN and TDM on core. Alright, let's see what map we get. Ooh, Gauntlet. I'm pretty sure that's FaZe RAIN's favorite map. Hopefully I can destroy his cock. Alright. Tush Clan. This is my emblem. I'm pretty proud of it. Condoms prevent minivans. What up? Stream hype. Hey, follow me on Twitter at tush_clan_. There will be posting all our destroying FaZe videos and linking all our Twitch channels. Alright, let's get into it, boys. Don't you just hate the loading time? Like, why can't it just go suck a dick?
You're trying way too hard.
Using the vent because I know FaZe RAIN sucks Vim's cock, so. Alright, let's go, boys. I got my Lucky Gaming's headset on that I never wear because I'm not a freaking tryhard like FaZe RAIN, but. Let's do it.
What do you have against FaZe RAIN?
What a kill. I'm the best Call of Duty player I know. I wake up every morning and I piss excellence.
Not a stolen joke.
What a kill. This is my best game ever. I can feel that I'm going 30-0.
Pick up that FFAR.
Alright, should I activate my Ripper? Ooh. There we go. Oh, okay. First death of the day. We're doing okay. We're doing okay. Alright. Ooh, I see footprints. Get wrecked! Alright. Ooh, condoms front minivans. That's my favorite. Best gamer tag of the day so far. Best gamer tag of the day so far.
What about yours, Mr. FaZe?
Chili Pepper.
FaZe Chili Pepper?
Let's run it. Don't you just love Call of Duty? Alright. Enough with the shenanigans. Time to get killing. It's killing time, baby. You in here? You in here, bad boy? Ooh, I hear boost jump. Where are the bad guys? On a scale of 1 to 10, how big do you think my cock is? I'd say about 9.5. If we're talking inches. Nah. Man, I love myself.
Kill yourself.
Okay. I haven't seen nobody in about 5 seconds. 5 minutes. Excuse my grammar. I didn't go to school.
I dropped out in kindergarten to play Call of Duty for a little.
It's killing time. Kill Pepper. Oh my goodness. Is this a dead lobby? I can't seem to find nobody. See, I don't see nobody in freaking 15 minutes, and then right when I see somebody, he's freaking using a hacked lobby gun and freaking boost jumping in Black Ops 2. Like,
this is Black Ops.
What the truck? I'm about to kill somebody.
Oh, Pope Gucci connected.
Wait. What a kill. What a kill. I'm the best player I know. See that? That was FaZe RAIN. And the other person was Allier. I'm about to go kill TMARTN now. Ooh. Something in the way. Ooh. Let's go. What?
Pope Gucci raged and left after he rippered him.
Nobody can handle my ripper skills. I'm pretty much the best ripper player I know. I mean, sure, you might want to say, what's his face? Mark J. Yeah, he's a wannabe cocksucker. And the other Call of Duty player everyone knows and loves, Elite Shot. Yeah, well, he fixes gameplays. He goes against bots in every game. That's why he's good. He's really not good. I'm better than him. Freaking hacked lobby. That killed me in one bullet, and he was using a machine gun. How's that possible? God, I hate Call of Duty. I'm just doing this for views. I'm probably just gonna put some big YouTuber in the description so I can get a ton of views, so it shows up on their channel, so I can get famous. Tush Clan, what up? Tush up. I'm gonna steal this guy's care package. Frick! Alright. I don't even care. My teammates suck anyways. I'm the best player on the team.
Are you really? Check the stats.
Shut up, Kevin. It's okay to eat fish because they don't go. Ooh, people. Peepers. Peepers. It's killing time. Kill Pepper. They don't call me Kill Pepper for nothing. What? 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 My team is just destroying them. I'm at a 1.75 KD right now. Best KD ever. Want some killing? Want some kill, Pepper? You running away like a little queer? Alright. What the fridge? Oh, there we go. That's the double kill. Now we unlock Purifier. Let's go. I can finally screw this Ripper. What?
You just got Elo.
Shut up.
Good sight.
Sorry about my cameraman. He's a little bit of a dick sucker. He likes a girl, but I'm not gonna publicly criticize her name because he'd probably tell my mom for that. It's okay to eat. Ooh, Ripper. Remember, I told you I'm the best Ripper player ever. So just remember that. Once I see your girl, I'm gonna Ripper her. I'm gonna Ripper your girl.
If you guys like this type of content, you can go follow me or subscribe to me, whatever.